So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to understand the concept of subqueries. For that, I have created a table employees and inserted some data. Now I want to show you what is inside the table employees. Select all from employees, employees 1. So as you can see, we have data, employee ID, name, department, salary, hire date. So what is subquery? A query inside a query is subquery. Okay. I directly show you by writing a query. Select all from employees 1, where we can use a subquery inside the where clause, where salary is greater than the average of salary. If you write directly average of salary, it will never work. Getting my point? Like this, the where clause never works. You need to write a complete query here. Select average of salary from employees 1 semicolon. So this is completely a subquery, although it is independent thing. This is our main query and this also a query, but we are calling it subquery because we are using it inside a query. Getting my point? Now what is the point to use this subquery? Because we want to get the salaries of employees which is actually greater than average of salaries of entire employees. Okay, so you will get only those values. You are getting salary is 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 65,000. Okay, you are getting the salaries which are actually greater than the average of salary. So that's how subqueries work. And I tell you, this is a scalar kind of subquery, right? In a scalar subquery, you get only single result from that query as an output. Okay, so this is a scalar kind of subquery. We can use the subquery after from. Okay, I show you how. First of all, we will use the result of subquery. Select name, comma, average of average salary. I show you what I'm doing. Salary from select, here we will use department. Okay, select department, comma, average of salary as average salary from employees. We will group by department. So now you can see we got some data when we used a query inside from. And from what we did, we actually used average of salary department wise. You getting my point? We got department and average salary of respective department, and in this result we used as an output in our main query. Okay, department, average salary. So this was the average salary we mentioned here, but we are getting here. Okay, so that's how subquery can work in from function. So guys, I'm going to tell you the concept of common table expression. Common table expression, we use results. Okay, many times we can use the results of our queries. I show you how. Select all from employees 1. Now you can use this query result. How? I show you. With, first of all, you need to use with. Name your common table expression. I named it as query 1. Now use as in bracket keep your query, initial query. After that, select what now your result is inside the common table expression query 1. Getting my point? Use with, after that your CTE name, use as, after that close your query inside the parenthesis. After that the result is inside query 1. Now use select name comma department comma salary from query 1. Now notice, now I am getting the data from query 1. So our result is inside the query 1. Now I will get name, department, salary from query 1. Let's see the magic. You are getting name, department, salary. So this is a common table expression. If you want to use again this result, use comma, name a CTE again, suppose query 2. Now again use as, close your query inside the parenthesis. Now again select. Now we can use name, department, salary, anything. Suppose I want name comma salary from query 2. Now this will definitely work. So you can see name comma salary we got. Okay, so that's how our concept of common table expression works. This is very simple thing. If you have any doubt, please tell me in the comment section. I will definitely shout out them. So it is done for today. Thank you.